Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a beautiful exploration, spirituality for beginners. Maybe you've always felt a flicker of curiosity about the unseen, the universe's grand design, or your own place in it all. Perhaps you're yearning for more meaning and purpose in your life, a sense of connection that goes beyond the daily grind. Or maybe you simply seek inner peace, a refuge from the constant busyness of modern life. Wherever you are on this journey, this video is your invitation to delve deeper. What is spirituality really? Spirituality, like a multifaceted gem, can hold different meanings for different people. But at its core, it's about fostering a connection with something bigger than yourself. It's a quest to find meaning and purpose in life's tapestry, to cultivate a sense of inner peace and well-being that transcends fleeting emotions. Spirituality is a more personal exploration, a journey inward to understand your own values, beliefs, and connection to the universe. Why explore your spirituality? The reasons people embark on a spiritual path are as diverse as the paths themselves. Here are some common threads. Finding inner peace. In our fast-paced world, stress and anxiety can feel like constant companions. Spirituality offers tools and practices to cultivate inner calm and acceptance, fostering a sense of peace that transcends external circumstances. Connecting with something larger. Do you ever feel a yearning for something more, a sense of belonging to a grander scheme of things? Spirituality can help you connect with that feeling, whether it's a higher power, a sense of universal energy, or simply the interconnectedness of all living things. Living a meaningful life. Sometimes the daily grind can feel monotonous. Spirituality can help you discover your core values and purpose, leading you to live a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. Strengthening relationships. Spirituality often emphasizes compassion, understanding, and forgiveness. By cultivating these qualities, you can build stronger, more meaningful connections with others. Understanding yourself. The exploration of your inner world is a core aspect of a spiritual path. Through practices like meditation and self-reflection, you can gain a deeper understanding of your thoughts, emotions, and motivations. The many paths to your spiritual journey. There's no single right way to explore spirituality. It's a personal journey with a vast array of paths to choose from, depending on your beliefs and interests. Here's a glimpse into some popular practices. Meditation. This ancient practice quiets the mind and focuses your attention, fostering inner calm and clarity. There are many different meditation techniques, all aimed at achieving a state of focused awareness. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's about experiencing life as it unfolds, rather than being lost in your head. Spending time in nature. Immersing yourself in the beauty and serenity of nature can be a powerful spiritual experience. Surround yourself with trees, listen to the sounds of birdsong, or feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Nature has a way of calming the mind and reconnecting you to something larger than yourself. Yoga. This ancient practice combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Yoga can help you connect with your body, quiet your mind, and cultivate a sense of peace. Prayer or contemplation. Connecting with a higher power through prayer, contemplation, or simply reflection can bring comfort, guidance, and a sense of belonging. Taking your first steps on the path. Ready to start your own spiritual exploration? Here are some practical tips to get you going. Create quiet time, even 5 to 10 minutes a day dedicated to quiet reflection, meditation, prayer, or simply being present in the moment can make a big difference. Explore different practices. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and through local classes. Experiment with different practices and see what resonates most with you. Perhaps it's the stillness of meditation, the mindful movement of yoga, or the quiet contemplation of nature. Be patient. Developing your spirituality is a journey, not a destination. Like learning a new skill, it takes time and practice. Embrace the process and be gentle with yourself along the way. Find a spiritual community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people who are also on a spiritual path can be a source of support, inspiration, and shared experiences. Look for meditation groups, yoga classes, or online communities that resonate with your interests. Trust your intuition. This is your journey, and there's no right or wrong way to explore it. Let your intuition guide you, and be open to trying new things. The most important thing is to find practices that feel meaningful and enriching for you. Embrace the journey. Spirituality is a lifelong adventure filled with exploration, discovery, and growth. There will be moments of profound peace and moments of quiet contemplation. There will be challenges and roadblocks along the way. But remember, the journey itself is the reward. As you explore your inner world and connect with something bigger than yourself, you'll cultivate a sense of peace, purpose, and well-being that enriches every aspect of your life. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on your spiritual journey. In the comments below, let me know what questions you have or what spiritual practices you find helpful. This community thrives on sharing. What are your experiences with different practices or challenges you've faced? Your insights could be just what someone else needs to hear. I read all the comments to see how we can all learn and grow together. Let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, keep shining your light and keep growing. See you in the next one.